Hello everyone, this is Scrappers Major and I know we haven't met. So this is the first time I'm recording the video with my face. So this is how I look like. And I really want to record this video just to say thank you for the support that you have shown me in this channel. I know this hasn't been a consistent channel. I have been uploading videos every week as I intended to do. And that was because I just accepted a role as a head of digital in our agency, and that has come up with a lot of responsibility in my life. So I put a pause on recording YouTube videos, but I promise that in the coming few months I will start uploading new videos. I'll start uploading new content on this channel, and I'm planning to grow this channel. And so far I've just noted that you guys really liked my video when it comes to theme development, especially on ACF. I do have some things that I really want to share with you on ACF, on how you can build your WordPress website using ACF, because that's a great skill that you can have to advance your WordPress development career. So I'm going to be recording new videos very soon, and I'm not sure if you prefer a format where I record in pieces or you just want me to record the whole video, like building a WordPress website using ACF from scratch to finish in one video, or you want me to record these videos like in parts. In that way you can have breaks and also you can be able to digest the information that I'll be giving out to you guys. So please just let me know if you guys really want me to go ahead and record more tutorials on WordPress, and if there are other topics that you really want me to dive in, the topic on security, you let me know. Let me know if you really want me to do that. But for now, I really want to say thank you, and also to celebrate this milestone of reaching 100 subscribers. It is a huge deal for me, and I really appreciate you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what kind of videos should I record in the future. That will help. That will help you, because that's my aim. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.